Hey everybody, Lois Threlkeld, Ladies of Justice League.com. Wanted to show you, we're at the Real Estate Investor Club and played the cash flow game. Now I'm gonna enter into this. Oh, look at all these people. Let me show you. So this is here we are at the Investor Club meeting, and it pretty much goes on. Hey, hey, greeters, we have greeters. Hey, 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 it's greeters, we have greeters. So when you walk in, you see greeters, and here we have, look at all these booths. We got a lot of booths here. And a lot of investors. I'll just show you. My goodness. Kind of goes on and on. So I'm going to walk through here. Show you from another perspective. But the work that they have on these walls is incredible. Look at the work here, man. Oh, so cool. Now, we're vendors here, so I'm gonna have to make my way up to the vendor. We're gonna speak a little bit. Lois Threlkeld, Ladies of Justice League.com, and look forward to seeing you soon. Comment, like, share, subscribe.